Some Zimbabwean activists and opposition party members have launched a petition for the Southern African Development Community SADC to move its summit scheduled for August from Zimbabwe to protest the disputed 2023 elections. Ashpere musha muri Zimbabwe muchaona kuti ma citizens nevamwakomana veku-opposition vakuti aiwa SADC Summit ngaibviswe munyika yeZimbabwe nokuda kwezviriitika munyika yeZimbabwe kusanganisira nawo yema-disputed 2023 elections. Ambenda mashoko abudanyika muzara nhasi ndobva subscribe like or turn on the bell icon. Tipinda munhu wamunyu kwamuchinzi. The petitioners argue that it is provoking and disrespectful to the people of Zimbabwe for SADC to grace an illegitimate authority led by President Emerson Mnangagwa. The SADC Election Observer Mission, in its preliminary report, said Zimbabwe's August 2023 elections did not meet regional and international standards on the holding of free, fair and credible polls. Similar observations were also shared by the European Union and Commonwealth Election Observer Missions, which pointed out that the way the elections were conducted impacted the credibility and the outcome of the polls. We, the undesigned citizens of Zimbabwe, having inherent birthright to Zimbabwe state and all the institutions hereby petition for office on the following. The petition read. Ndo masvika ari kubuda nyugwa muNewsday tiona aiwa vanhu vatora masvika kuti SADC chaicho nyange neCommonwealth neAU yakanyasa kuona kuti aiwa Zimbabwe hainaomita mastandards for a credible nema-free and fresh elections nema-fair elections. Asi toona kuti SADC ino ichi uphold summit munyika yakadaro ndozvaita kuti vanhu vamobilize vachiti aiwa ngaimuvhu from nyika yeZimbabwe. Tudze mafunguro enyu pina comment section yedu, subscribe, kulike, turn on the bell icon.